So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a video into an interactive quiz. So select your video that you'd like to turn into a quiz. And on the right-hand side here, you're going to select quiz. Now, I have actually done a demo one because I need to show it to you later, but it'll just be Open Quiz Editor. Once you do that, you've got some different options here. This is the first thing you need to choose, which is New Timeline. So I'm going to say Gates Quiz, and you just type your intro text there, whatever you want to say about the video. Okay, so once you've done that, you'll get this timeline down here, and these will become on grade. So I'm going to ask my first question. You can press play, obviously, and take it to wherever you want. Obviously, you don't want to watch me doing that. So I'm just going to place my playhead here, and I'm going to pick a video. So let's go with the true false question to start with. If you hover your cursor over them, these are the 4 question types you have. Here you can actually add a link to the video. So if I wanted to add a video to if I wanted to add a link to one of my other videos to explain what these did, or if I had a help sheet somewhere or a website that explained them, you could just add a link that they could go to for more information. Let's just do a true false question though. Okay, and this is true, so leave blank if it's true. Okay, the answer, obviously, as I said, is true. You can give feedback if they get it correct. You can, you can give a hint if you want to. Now, there's 2 options here. On the lead-in, you can actually show the question up the top of the screen if you want to, or you can have the question until the video stops at that question. I'm going to show the question on the lead-in. I'll show you the difference on it. You can pick an overlay color, literally just go down here until you find a color that's your favorite, click it, and that's everything filled in. So I can say confirm, and then it will add the question on here for me. This is sort of the list of the questions on the video. Over here, maybe I'll do a fill in the blank question. So we'll do this one here. So select the word blank out. I'm going to do not. This time I will hide the question until paused. Let's confirm that. So you can just obviously have a little go at all of these questions here. The questions will appear here. So if you make a mistake on one of them, you can just click this little pencil and go in and edit it. Once you've finished here, now you can delete the full timeline if you want to, but you can have a preview if you want as well of what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and save this timeline. And I'm going to go ahead and publish this as if it's a finished quiz. So we'll just publish that. Now, to show you what it looks like when it's finished, I'm going to go back here. I can leave that. So this is one obviously I did earlier. I'm going to go select quiz, and I'm going to say Logic Gates Quiz. And it will come up like this. I can share this on my Teams page. So I'm going to go ahead and say start. I can full screen it, and we're going to press play. Okay, forward. So as you can see, this is one where I've said on the lead up to the question, show it. So you can see it is on the screen there. And so the whole time they're watching it, they kind of know what's coming up, they know what they're listening out for. But obviously you could have it that it doesn't actually show. The video will pause for you. I'm going to click it and then submit my answer down here. And then I can continue on with the rest of the video because I got it right. Obviously, I could have hit replay. Again, this is a question where I have had it show up the top. But yeah, once you are ready to share it with the students, so you can see it's again, this is the colors that I chose on the background of the last one. Once you are done, you can actually share it with the students. If I go in here, this is the earlier one I chose. just going to go to this edit button. This is how I can actually share it. I can embed it in a web page, something, but this is the one you're probably going to use. Share by web link. You're going to copy it, or you can get a QR code for it the students could link to. I'm always going to copy it. So I'll just select the whole thing, right click, copy. Get your OneNote and you can literally paste in. It will look like this, and then the students can access it. And you can also access all their answers in here, where you can export the analytics of it and you can get an idea of how they've been doing.